Hey friends, it's your girl Mofifulu again. Welcome back to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Let's help each other. So let's go straight to the point. Today we'll be treating highly repeated topics in physics for your Jamb examination. The first one we have is dimension and units. You should learn how to analyze units, formulas. You should learn how to derive your formulas and derive your units. Then you should also learn how to combine different formulas together. The next one we have is scalar and vector. You should know how to resolve vector. You should know the triangle law of vector and parallelogram law of vector. Importantly, you must know how to resolve vector in different forms, that is horizontal and vertical components. You'll be needing it in topics like force and motion. The next one we have is elasticity. You should know the definition for elasticity. You should know how to state the Hooke's law. You should learn how to calculate elastic constant, which is F equals to K. You should know how to calculate change in length and in final length. Then you should learn Young modulus, and you should also learn the formula for stress and strain. Then next we have work, energy and power. You should learn the definition for work, energy and power, their formulas, how to solve questions. We have machine. Under machine, learn how to calculate efficiency of different kinds of machines, learn mechanical advantage, velocity ratio, and certain definitions under them. Next, we have heat energy. Under heat energy, we have expansivity, and it's like divided into linear expansivity, area expansivity, volume expansivity. You should learn how heat maintain equilibrium. You should learn heat transfer, that's radiation, convection, conduction. You should learn examples under them and how they are applied. Next, we have temperature and measurement. You should learn the different instruments which are used in measuring temperature. You should also learn how to convert the temperature from one unit to another. Next, we have gas laws. You should learn different laws like Boyle's law, Charles' law, general gas equation, and etc. We have motion. Motion is a very broad topic, but most importantly, you should learn the equation of motion. You should learn motion under gravity. You should know how to apply the formulas under equation of motion and to what particular questions. You should know when acceleration is negative and when acceleration is positive. You should learn the formulas under velocity, acceleration, displacement, uniform velocity, uniform acceleration. You should learn formulas like that. You should also understand projectile. Next, we have force. You should know the major type of force, which is frictional force. You should learn its application, its types. You should also learn Newton's law of motion. You should also understand how F equals to ma was derived and how you can use it in questions. You should also understand the impulse of a force, momentum of a force, and also equilibrium of forces, though it is a very wide topic on its own. Then next we have waves. Under waves we have reflection and refraction of light. You should learn the types of waves, that's the longitudinal and transverse wave, and then we have mechanical and magnetic wave. Next we have general properties of waves. You should also understand things like amplitude, wavelength, speed of light. Under this, you should learn sound waves, how to calculate speed of wave, and echo and vibration. You should also learn how to solve questions entirely under waves. Then you should understand light wave. You should learn how to use your mirror formula, lens formula. Understand resilience, propagation of eclipse, and formation of shadow. You should also learn dispersion of light. Why this stuff is producing a particular type of light. You should understand the reason. You should know if the you should know the reason why a focal length is negative or positive at a particular time. Next we have capacitor. You learn how to calculate capacitor in series and parallel, and how to calculate different questions under capacitance using this formula. Next we have electricity. You should understand the types of electricity that we have, that's static and current. You should know how to calculate potential difference. You should know how to calculate resistance in series and parallel. Next we have field. learn how to explain the types of field, especially gravitational and magnetic field. You should focus more on that. Then next we have the nuclear physics. Under that we have radioactivity. You should learn the alpha particles, beta particles, gamma ray. You should know how to calculate half-time. You should know certain definitions under radioactivity, and then their charges and how they work. You can also learn little under atoms, the law, John Dalton's atomic law. You should learn more about that. Then you should focus on simple harmonic motion. So well, that's all I have on my list. So if you have more time, you can study deeper on other side topics that I didn't mention. So well, I hope you enjoyed everything I said, and I hope you understand. So if you don't understand anything I said, you can drop your question in the comments box. Thanks for listening. I really appreciate it. Bye.